Multi-station cooling is designed to extend the cooling time and enable rapid solidification and molding of plastics. First workstation, mold closing. The mold utilizes a water cooling system to dissipate heat, and the plastic cools down faster when in contact with the mold. Second workstation, secondary calibration. By blowing air into the bottle, the cooling speed of the product is increased and the bottle mouth is quickly shaped. Third workstation, deflash. There are blowing holes set at the material clamping mold of the scraps, which use the blown cold air to cool down the bottle. Fourth workstation, leak detection. Leak detection requires blowing air into the inside of the bottle, which accelerates the cooling rate of the bottle while detecting leaks. Through multi-station cooling, the bottle forming cycle only takes 18 seconds, otherwise it takes at least 25 seconds. While improving production efficiency, it also reduces costs.